This 2025, we must make this money. We must make money in 2025. If making money in 2025 is one of your goals, then this video is for you. 3 things you can do with Canva to make money online in 2025. I've done the first video, I've done the number 2 video, and this is number 3 video, the last video of what you can do with Canva in 2025 to make money. So if you have not watched the first video, go ahead and watch it. It will be at the end of this video, and the second video too will be at the end of this video, or you can find it in the comment section of this video, how you can make money using Canva in 2025. So do well to watch number 1, number 2, and this number 3. Like I said in other videos, you can actually do the 3 of them, but if it's impossible for you to do the 3 of them, you can focus on one and be consistent on it. You will definitely make the same money you want to make. Now I'm talking about how much you can make from this thing I said you should do. I mean, you can make like 6 figures, and when I talk about 6 figures, I mean from 100,000 and above. However, this is not going to make you a millionaire overnight, but if you are consistent with it, you are going to actually make money from it. So I'm going to be taking you to Canva to tell you number 3 things you can do with Canva to make money online. Watch this video to the end, because I'm going to also show you how to make money with it. One thing is to create a product, another thing is for you to be able to monetize it. In the first video, I showed you how you can make money with it. In the second video, I showed you how you can make money with it. And this particular one too, I'm going to show you how you can make money with it. It's not something hard, it's very, very simple thing. So do well to watch this video to the end. And if this is what you want, do me a favor by subscribing, liking, commenting, and equally sharing this video. So without wasting time, let's go to Canva so I can show you exactly what you can do with Canva to make money. This is the 3rd one and the last one. I said 3 things you can do with Canva to make money. And the reason I did not join the 3 of them together, because I never wanted the video to be too long. If I join the 3 of them together, the video is going to be too long and you wouldn't want something like that. That was why I made it one video. So do well to watch number 1, number 2, and this number 3 video. Okay, so without wasting time, let's go to Canva. The 3rd step you should take to make money in 2025 with Canva. By now you should know how to download Canva, but if you don't know how to do it, just simply go to Apple Store to download it, or you go to Play Store to download it, depending on the phone you are using. Now I have Canva already in my phone, so let's go to Canva. Click on Canva. It will bring you here. Once you click on Canva, it will bring you here. Click on search bar. Now the 3rd thing you should do with Canva to make money in 2025 is flyer, creating of flyer. So once you come here, you type in flyer. Before you say I know how to create flyer, wait and watch till the end of this video and see how you are going to make money creating flyer. Now once you write flyer, search for flyer, you are going to see lots of templates. You are going to see this create blank. This means if you want to start creating flyer from the beginning, and it's not hard. All you have to do is to click on it, go change the background to the background color you want and touch it. But instead of wasting that much time, why not choose a template? So you come here and choose a template. Avoid the ones with Pro, because after designing it, Canva will not allow you to download it. So choose any one without Pro. Now let's assume you are designing flyer for a food company. All you have to do is to come over here and choose a food flyer. Okay, let's go with this one. You choose a flyer, a food flyer. Once you come here, all you need to do is just to touch this flyer. Edit it to your taste, edit it to what you want. If this food here is not what you want, click on it, click on replace. It will bring you to a place like this. Click on upload. That is if you have a picture of food you want to put. But if you don't have picture of food you want to put, click on photos to go and look for picture of food. Once it brings you here, choose any food you want. Now let's go with this one. Okay, so if you also want to change the name delicious sweet food, you can as well change it. Let us change it to delicious food. Click on it. Anything you want to change, just click on it, tap on it, click on edit and start typing. Let us change it to delicious food menu. Tap on the food, click on edit, change it to menu. Okay, so if you want to change the background, this thing here is the background. All you have to do is to scroll here, come to effects and change the background. Okay, so you have removed the background. That if you don't want it. Okay, anything you don't want, if you don't want the color, tap on anyone you don't want the color, come here, click on color, change the color to any color of your choice. So anything you don't want, just do it. If you don't want the font, come here and change the font. Click on any font you want and change it to it. It has changed. Okay, so it has changed again. It depends on what you want. Anything at all you don't want, just come here and choose. Just tap on it and then choose anything at all. After that, click on this icon here and download it. It's already downloading to your phone. See, it's saved to camera roll. Once it finished downloading to your phone, all you have to do is to send it to the owner via email, WhatsApp, or anyhow the person wants you to deliver the job. Now let's go so that I can show you how to monetize it. Now we have created the flyer. I have showed you how you can create flyer to make money in 2025. And you'll be asking yourself, how do I go about it? How do I make money with flyer? Another platform you can use to make magic money with this flyer is Twitter. Go to Twitter and create an account. I'm not teaching you what I've not done before. I'm teaching you what I've done. And see, the three of them, if you choose to do these three things that I've taught you, Twitter is also a better place. It's not as if other platforms are not good, but Twitter generates organic lead for you. Once you create your Twitter account, any post you make, you just drop your WhatsApp link. Don't drop WhatsApp number. Make sure to copy your WhatsApp link. If you don't know how to activate your WhatsApp link, I will be dropping the video on how to create a WhatsApp link. If you don't know how to create a WhatsApp link, that is customizing your WhatsApp link, I'll be dropping the video here at the end of this video so that you go learn how to customize your WhatsApp link, or also I'll be dropping it in the comment section so that you learn how to customize your WhatsApp link. Once you create a Twitter account, just put that you create flyers for organization, for churches, for schools, and that is what you're going to put in your bio, that you create flyers for business owners, churches, schools, and then you continue making your posts, continue creating your content, making your posts on a daily basis. And each post you make, always put a call to action. What do I mean by a call to action? Always say something like, if you want me to do this thing for you, click on this link to chat me directly on WhatsApp, and then you drop your WhatsApp link. Don't just drop WhatsApp number, because nobody has strength to start typing your WhatsApp, saving your number, then chatting you. Just drop the link so that the moment they click on it, it will take them directly to your WhatsApp link and they'll be able to chat to you. So if you do this for 1 month, it will shock you. If you choose to do these three things I have said, the first one was said, the second one, and this third one, if you choose to do the three of them, I bet you in 1 month you'll be shocked at how much you're going to be making. Now, why I mentioned 3 different platforms is because I've tried these things and I've realized that this one works better in this place this one work better in this place, and this one work better in this place. When I use Twitter, I was not even having followers. I was having like about 5 followers then, and the kind of traffic I brought to my WhatsApp shocked me because I use this pattern. So use it will shock you. You're going to be making money in 2025. Now it's left for you to know how much you are going to be charging. Like I said in the second video, that you can charge as low as 5,000 and you can charge as high as 20,000 naira. So it all depends on you and how much you want to charge. And as a newbie, you can even charge 2,000 to start and to retain your customers. I wish you success in your money making business. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.